Hello. So I fixed the problem with the parking brakes. So I will show you how to do this with the VCDS. After I checked all the fuses are okay. So I just open the VCDS. Okay, go to parking brake. And then I will do security access. You put the code you will find there. So for me is 78713. Do it. Security access accepted. Then you go to basic settings. Okay, you do okay. And then you go to this option, initiation. So let me show you this one. Okay. You release the brakes like this. Then you check go. Click on go. Finish it correctly. And after this, the problem is gone. Okay, guys. So this is how to fix this problem. Thank you.